but it stayed on my mind. Hey, did I get you right? Oh, did I get you right? Did I get you right? You were telling me about something I don't understand. You were trying hard to convince me of opinions that I don't comprehend. Can you tell me why? That's your reason for believing you get what you need. I don't really know what you're hoping, mind controlling, but it won't work on me. Of what's happening, or do you just don't care? Was about to leave, but then I waited, sat down, debated to make you more aware. Did you get me right? I won't let you try to pursue your goal to break me down. Know what you should try. Just once listen, hear what you're missing, and what you could have known. The thing is that I don't know you, but realize I don't want to. Won't share your outdated visions. They lead you to bad decisions. I don't know why.
So this is the quality of the Huawei Freebuds Pro 5 in a win environment. This is the quality of the Huawei Freebuds Pro 5 in a win environment. How does it sound like? Is it good? Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3.
So this is the quality of the Apple AirPods Pro 3 score quality test. This is the quality of the Apple AirPods Pro 3 score quality test. How does it sound like? Is it good? Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3.